Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from Coinbase wallet. So in order to withdraw from Coinbase wallet, first thing first, you'll have to log in into your Coinbase wallet, and once logged in you'll be taken to the home page that looks something like this. Now in order to withdraw, tap the send button located right on top, and on the other interface it's going to take you to the page where you need to select an asset. So here you'll need to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to withdraw, and once done you'll have to enter in the wallet address of the particular destination where you actually sending. Once done, click the continue button, and here you need to enter in the amount of Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you wish to withdraw. And if you want to convert it to currency, then you'll have to change that as well. And once done entering all of these, click the preview button located right at the bottom. And lastly, you'll need to go through all of these interface, which means that you'll have to confirm all of the information whether it's correct or not. And if it is correct, then tap the send now button located right at the bottom, and that's basically, and then you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully withdrawn from Coinbase wallet. In this way you can withdraw from Coinbase wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.